Hello, welcome to... Today, I'm looking for a northern flicker, a large woodpecker known for its brilliant wing and tail feathers, as well as pecking on the sides of houses and disturbing the sleep of those inside. It's a common bird in my area, but it's also one of the prettiest, in my opinion, at least. I teamed up with Aiken Audubon's Birds and Brews, a birding group that stops at the brewery after the birds have been found. We hit the trails at Fountain Creek Nature Center, finding red-winged blackbirds, American coots, Townsend solitaires, and a whole bunch of ducks, including mallards, common golden eyes, northern shovelers, hooded mergansers, American widgeon. Then we saw it, a northern flicker. But I was unable to get a clear photo, so it doesn't count. A bonus, belted kingfisher, announced its arrival. And we saw a pair of killdeer by the river. A red-tailed hawk perched in a tree. Song sparrows darted in the reeds, and I struggled to film a very active ruby-crowned kinglet. A sleepy great-horned owl sat just off the trail. We finished the day off with a northern harrier. After the brews, I arrived home, looked outside, and got a much better look at our bird of the day.